This 2023 Heartland Mallard M26 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, stove top burner, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Heartland Mallard M26 is 5,996 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.